Thank you for choosing ICICI Prudential Life Insurance as your trusted life insurance partner. Let's get to know more about Fund Switch, which is a unique feature of your unit-linked insurance plan. This feature helps you manage your ULIP investments effectively. Let's understand the benefits of this feature. 1. Tax-free. Switch funds tax-free. 2. Long-term wealth creation. Built for long-term goals. ULIPs let you adjust your investment strategy as per your risk appetite. Here's how you can switch your funds in a few easy steps. Visit our website www.iciciprulife.com. Click on Login and select Individual. Enter your credentials or log in using Login via OTP option. Once logged in, click on Transactions from the menu. Select Switch and click on Transfer Funds. Now select the policy for which you want to switch funds. After selecting the policy, the current fund details will be displayed. Go to the From Fund option and select the fund that you wish to switch. Now select a fund of your choice and allocate a percentage to the new fund selected. Click on Add to proceed. Review your total switch amount details. Once you are done, click Submit to finalize your transaction. You will receive confirmation of the transaction details via email and SMS. You can also apply for the Fund Switch option using our mobile app. Log in to our mobile app using your login ID and password. Click on All Services. Select Fund Switch under Fund Transactions. Once selected, you'll be seamlessly redirected to the website to complete the process. Use the Switch Fund today to invest in the funds of your choice. Point to note: